Hey MSquad, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls. In today's video, I will be showing you all how to sleek your type 4 kinky curly hair into a nice slick ponytail slash bun. But before I jump into the video, I would like to give you all a huge thank you for helping me get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. It honestly means the world to me. I love watching MSquad grow as a family, and I can't wait to see what the rest of the year has in store for us. So thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so because I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you are notified that I posted a new video. And if you want to see behind the scenes of me doing daily things, make sure that you follow me on Instagram because I post behind the scenes and kind of pictures and all that every single day. So make sure you are following me on Instagram. My name on Instagram is at Kinky Curly Mary. And without any further ado, I'm going to cue the demo so you guys can see how I get my waves, okay, like my hair. I'm gonna show you how to get this. Okay, so we're just going to jump into the demo, so cue the demo.
She told me that I'm not enough, and she left me with a broken heart. She fooled me twice and it's all my fault. She cut too deep, now she left me scarred. Now there's so many thoughts going through my brain, and now I'm taking these shots like it's Novocaine. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh. Everybody told me so, feeling like I sold my soul. Devil in the form of a whore, devil in the form of a whore. You said it, oh you said it, oh you said it, we'd be together, oh.
Okay, so I am done with my head. So what I'm going to do is sit under my hooded dryer for about 10 minutes, and then when I am done, I am going to come back on camera and show you guys how my waves are in swing.
20 minutes later.
She told me that I'm not enough, and she left me with a broken heart. She fooled me twice and it's all my fault. She cut too deep, now she left me scarred.
And that is all for the video today. As you guys can see, my hair is nice and a fleekity fleek. Okay. This is actually about 3 hours after I did my hair, so I still have my hair nice and neat. The humidity or nothing like that, like the air hasn't affected my hair. It's still nice and flat, and at nighttime all I'm going to do is wrap my hair with the same scarf that you saw in the previous clip during the demo portion. I'm going to wrap my hair with that at night and go to sleep on my satin pillowcase, and this should last me for about a good week. But yeah, honestly, I really love how my hair turned out. I hope you love it too. Make sure that if you want to recreate this, that you start off in small sections. So as you guys can see, I did about 6 sections on my hair, so make sure that you start off with 5 to 6 sections so that it's easier to sleek your hair into that ponytail. Also make sure that you're using a gel that will not flake on your hair and that will mix well with the other products that you're using. And yeah, honestly, I love how my hair looks, and I was telling my roommate earlier that I feel like this might be a look for me. Like, I feel like when I'm lazy and I have to wash my hair, this is a look. A look. A look. A look. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Be sure to leave a comment in the comment section. Make sure in the comment section that you hashtag MSquad is lit, or say something in regards to MSquad so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. And most importantly, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. so I want to make sure that you know when I am posting these videos, so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel as well as turning on that post notification bell. And yes, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. I cannot wait to see you next week. Until next time, MSquad, peace and love always. Bye.